Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to put tags to your tasks on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Log in by using your Touch ID or passcode. After that, you should tap on the calendar button down below, which is the second option. Select one of your tasks to which you would like to add a tag. Click on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on tags, which is the fourth option in the first section. You can select from the existing tags, or you can also input a new one. Tap on create important and tap on it in order to put a check mark icon to your circle next to the tag, and tap on done in the upper right corner of the screen. So as you can see, this tag has appeared to your task here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.